This video teaches you how to send and accept Facebook friend requests. First go to www.facebook.com in your preferred browser. Click the search bar. It's at the top of the Facebook page. Type in a person's name. Then click their name in the drop-down menu. This will take you to their profile. Click Add Friend. You can have up to 1000 sent requests waiting for a response. If you send more, the older request will be deleted. If you're accepting a request, then click the friends icon. Clicking this icon prompts a drop-down menu. This blue button will appear below the person's name. Clicking confirm will accept the request and add the person to your friend list.